In this video, I'm going to show you how to measure in PDF XChange Editor. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Comment tab up top over here, and then here under Measure, you have three options. So you have Distance, you have Perimeter, and then you have Area. Now, click on the one you want. I'm going to go Distance first, and of course, you can go ahead and measure your distance. So you can click on the first point, and then you can basically just drag it out, and then of course, if you want to go straight, you can hold down your Shift key on your keyboard, and then whenever you're at the end, you can just click again, and it's going to show you that distance. You click again, and basically it's going to pop in over here. And that's the first thing you can do. The second one is perimeter, so we could go ahead and of course like measure perimeter as well. You could go ahead and, for example, do it over here. I'm going to do a straight line, click again, and then again like this. And now at the very bottom right, you can basically see how much the distance is of your perimeter, and you can just double click whenever you're done like this, and then basically there we go, you have your measurement. And when you click on it, it's going to display down here at the bottom right. Of course, you can click on whichever one and it's going to show you. Now here you also have the area. You could also measure area. So if I go, for example, over here and then click and then hold down Shift key to actually go straight, and again, as you can see, it's already doing the area, and I can click again over here, double click, and there we go, I have my area over here. So that's basically how to measure. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.